Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make blueberry pudding cake, so let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 325 degrees. Then in a medium bowl, add in the melted butter, buttermilk, sugar, egg yolks, and all-purpose flour, and whisk them really well together until there are no lumps. If you're having trouble getting rid of all the lumps, you can pour the mixture into a blender, and doing this will get rid of all the lumps. Then pour it back into the bowl. Then add in the blueberries and the lemon zest, and mix them together until they're combined. And set the mixture aside, and then in another medium bowl, add the egg whites, and whip them until they have soft peaks, and add in more sugar, and continue whipping it until it has stiff peaks. Then add the egg whites to the rest of the batter, and fold them gently into the batter until they're combined. Pour the batter into a greased 8-inch square baking pan, and make sure the blueberries are spread all throughout the pan and not just in one spot. Place this pan into a baking sheet. Place it into the oven, and then pour hot water into the baking pan, and then bake it in the oven for about 50 minutes. As this bakes, it will be quite cakey on the top and custardy at the bottom. Once it's done, let it cool until it's cool enough to handle, and then transfer to a cooling rack to cool completely. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and refrigerate it for a few hours before serving it. And that's how to make blueberry pudding cake. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.